my life, and I was trying to understand that. And so I was looking about my career and those kind of things. Number two, yes, I was young.
I've been at Facebook for almost 10 years. So it started when it was a college site, and now we try and provide a service to connect over 1 billion people.
Over 75% of people looking to rent would go to the internet first. It's the ultimate universal meeting spot of both lenders and renters.
So it's difficult to know exactly who came up with it in the first place. I like to think of it as having come from the American South, when they used to use a mixture of Dutch cocoa.
Being an artist, in general, you just have to know the odds of you actually making it big or being successful.
If you're able to extend your backwards over a silk and allow yourself to suspend without weight, you can imagine how it could decompress a spine.
I would tell all my friends to come to class with me, and they could see this amazing shift in me and just even for exercise.